this is how you install the general concept behind a transfer switch. Transfer switch like this one here. This one is about $300. You pay another 300, 300, 400, whatever, to depending on your house configuration to have it installed, and make sure you have a licensed electrician to do this. It's very simple. Here is the power line coming in, right? Here is power company, the main power line coming into your electric panel. Typically, you see this is where the power goes in here, right? And it goes up here. It just turn on the light. But once you have this installed, if you take a look where the line comes in, it comes down here. It make a loop. It comes out this way. Okay, so it comes in here, and it comes out this way, right? And powers the loop. So it makes a complete loop. So it kind of bypasses it. Okay, typically you have a switch here. One is a generator, one is the panel, the power company. So you switch it to power. This is how it normally routes the power. Now, once you don't have power, what you do is you can switch it to off position. The off position. This is where I have the two key points here. Number two is you have the option. That's why I love this. If a sensitive equipment on here, you can hook it up to this where the power grid goes on and off. If it's not stable, so you want to protect the equipment, you can switch it off, turn the complete off. Or you can switch to up position, the generator. But when generator, what happening is this is the generator feeding the power from outside, and it goes up here. Okay, so it goes up here and bypass the power grid. That's it. Thanks, and have a good day.